This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Amazing custom home on the beautiful Fairview Lake West/TS own boat dock. Soaring ceilings and windows in the large great room floor plan west/a nice living room and dining room west/vinyl plank flooring and a custom kitchen west/a gas range, island and lots of storage and counter space. Master suite west/a full bath, lower level family room, and laundry room. Amazing view from all levels west/multiple decks. Beautiful backyard with southern exposure, great for a garden. RV parking too. See the virtual tour for more photos. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.